The Guwahati University's Postgraduate Student Association on Wednesday organized a press conference to highlight the demands of the following protest that was held on Tuesday. The students demanded that immediate action should be taken against the anomalies that were taken during the 5th semester exams result, and they also demanded re-evaluation and re-examination of the exams and having them not to pay any fee.
অতি শেহতীয়াভাৱে ঘোষিত হোৱা স্নাতক পঞ্চম ষান্মাসিকৰ যি ফলাফল এই ফলাফলৰ যি বিসংগতি তেওঁলোকে অতি সোনকালে দূৰ কৰক, যি এবচেণ্টৰ ইস্যু আছে অতি সোনকালে দূৰ কৰক। আমি তেওঁলোকক দাবী জনাম যে অতি সোনকালে তেওঁলোকে যি ৰিভলিউচনৰ ৰিজাল্ট সেই ৰিজাল্টসমূহ তেওঁলোকে মুকলি কৰে, লগতে ৰিভলিউচনৰ কাৰণে যি মাচুল লোৱা হয় সেই মাচুল সম্পূৰ্ণ বিনামূলীয়া কৰাৰ আমি দাবী জনালো।
During the meeting, they also raised questions on the alleged dysfunction of the University Management System, IUMS, Indian University Management System. They alleged that after repeated complaints about the dysfunction of the university registration system, the Guwahati University administration did not act upon it. The association demands to abolish IUMS from Guwahati University. The press meet came after the protest turned violent on Tuesday. I am Saraswat Kashyap for East Mojo.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.